In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add meta tags to Shopify store. So in order to do that, you first need to create a store on Shopify by clicking onto the Start for Free button on the Shopify.com website. If you already have a store, proceed to click onto this login option that we have in here as well. Now, in order to add meta tags, we have several methods. First, you can edit individual pages. Let's first head over into our actual home page. Once we're in there, just go over to the online store. And once you have clicked on it, head over and click on preferences that will appear right here. Once you have clicked on that, next thing you need to do is to find the homepage title and meta description section. So head over and look in here for that. Here's our homepage title and meta description. Now in there, you just need to enter your desired title and description as you would like right here. Now this is for pages for your actual Shopify admin. If you want to do this on your products, you just need to navigate to the products option. And then under certain products, you just need to look for the search engine listing preview and add in there the page title and meta description field. Alternatively, you can actually manually edit the theme code. First, head over to your online store. And then from in there, you can find your current theme. So once you find your current theme, what you can do next is to just click onto the three dots just beside that particular theme. Here's our theme right here. Click onto this. From in there, you can find this option. So what you can do is click onto this edit code. This will open in here the code for the actual store. You can find in here this. Under the layout option, make sure to expand it. And once it's been expanded, you can see in here theme liquid. Click on this. And after that, locate the head tab, and under this section, just paste the actual formatted option for the meta name and description just around in here under this part. Enter right here this and add in your description as well as your meta description content. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.